Hey team, and welcome to this teaching video on how to add a printer to your Clovis Unified computer. Maybe you have a new computer, or maybe you're teaching summer school and you're in a different room on a different site, but you want to print something and you're not quite sure how to add that printer. This tutorial is for you. Somewhere on your desktop, you should see this icon, Add Printer. You want to double click on that icon in order to open this app. When you do this, this window will appear. Choose the category that's perfect for you. For this teaching sample, I'm going to choose elementary school. And when I do that, all of our elementary schools pop up. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose Copper Hills. And then I'm going to click OK. When I do that, this box appears. It's quite small and I can't see everything that I would like to see, so I'm going to expand this using the bottom right corner. When my arrow turns into a double-headed arrow, I have the power to readjust this so I can see what I'm working with. And I can scoot it around so I can see it in a way that's helpful. Now, along this list, I will find all of the rooms and all of the names of those specific printers. Once I have located the printer that I would like to add, I'm going to click specifically on that specific printer. Once I've located the room where I am located, I'm going to choose that specific room. Sometimes the sticker on the printer works perfectly and it really does say the right name of the printer, and sometimes those labels are inaccurate. If you're uncertain as to whether or not you're connecting to the right printer, you can scoot all the way over here to the right-hand side where it says comment, and it might help you determine whether or not that is the correct printer or not. Is that the right manufacturer? Is that the right type of printer? You can always print out a blank sheet of paper from Microsoft Word to verify that it truly is the right printer. For this tutorial, let me go ahead and click one time on this one down here. In order to install this printer, I'm going to double click twice, quickly. When I double click on that printer, this little box right here will appear and it will let me know the status of that install. Once this task has been completed, I can scoot over to Microsoft Word in order to verify that this has occurred successfully. All right, let's find out if this worked. I'm going to choose Control P on my keyboard, Control P for print. Over here on the left-hand side where it indicates what printer I'm going to use, I'm going to use that drop-down menu, and you'll see right here that Copper Hills Printer 28 is now installed on my device and it is ready for printing. I can simply click Print right here to send a blank sheet of paper through that printer to verify that it works. That way I'm not wasting ink or paper. If you accidentally install a printer onto your device and you say, whoops, I totally didn't want to do that, it's very easy to uninstall a printer that you do not want on your device. I'm going to scoot down to the bottom left corner of my computer where I see the magnifying glass. I'm going to type in printer because I want to see the printers that are on my system. I'm going to click one time right here where it says printers and scanners. When I do that, all the printers for my computer appear right here. If I choose to take off the Copper Hills 28 printer, I'm going to click one time, and then right here I'm going to choose Remove Device. If you accidentally remove a device and you're like, oh no, I totally want that printer on my computer, that's okay. Start back at step one, locate that device, and then add it to your computer. Team, thank you so much for watching today's video and have a great day.